Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 362 different strategies, with 116 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 258 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,034 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says this new TradingView indicator is miracle, most accurate buy sell signals ever. And so excluding the grammar issues in there, calling an indicator the most accurate buy sell signal indicator ever, it's a little bit of a far stretch. It might be good, maybe it is the best indicator we've ever seen. We'll see in the testing. And so nonetheless, again, we'll go ahead and put this strategy to the test. And so the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Variety MA Cluster Filter, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this and jump into the inputs. And what you're going to do is under the period right here, change that to 7. Then down to the filter deviations, change that to 3. And the filter period, change that to 16 and click OK. Then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Premier RSI Oscillator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and jump into the settings of this one as well. And the RSI length right here, you're going to change that to 27. Stochastic length, you're going to change that to 29, and the smooth length, you're going to change that to 26. Then jump into the styles, and under the Pro Histo right here, click on this selection and go down and select columns and click OK. Now everything should look as I have on screen now. And so what you're looking for a long trade, so you're looking for when you get a long signal from the cluster filter like this right here. It's kind of hard to see. It's a yellow L with an arrow pointing up. And then you're going to look down to the RSI oscillator, and you want it to have a green bar like this here. And so when those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. Put the trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot that it formed right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Should be good. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the upside, getting us to take profit pretty easy. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is the sell signal, sell tag like this here from the cluster filter. And you can see the purple S with an arrow pointing down. That is the sell tag there. Then we're going to look down to the RSI oscillator, and we want it to have a red column like this here. And that'll be your signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right there, put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put us right there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we just kind of bounce there for a moment and then make this really strong push to the downside, getting us to take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 11 winning trades and 39 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 22% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,600 for an overall loss of $9,000 altogether. So definitely not a miracle indicator, and definitely not the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator ever. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 38 trades altogether. We had 31 winning trades and 7 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $10,200. So definitely better results. And I am putting the final touches on a position management strategy that will increase the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator significantly to the high 90%. And so in this testing, realistically, the total gain would have been closer to around $17,000. And so again, definitely better results. If you are interested in the Academy Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently, we've been developing a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades on screen now. This is using that strategy and partially the position management strategy that I've been speaking about that I'll be giving out to the patrons here in the very near future once I finish a few final touches on it. And so if you're interested in viewing this crypto scalping strategy, though, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little eye. Just click on that. It'll take you down to 2 thumbnails. Click the one that says new crypto scalping strategy, and it'll take you to that video. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.